A cold night to snuggle up with your Valentine. Lauren Casey tracking more snow for the week ahead. Hi, Lauren.
Hey, Joe. Yeah, a little bit more snow with this next major system, but snow still in the scene right now as we get a live look at Ocean City. The boards covered in that chunky, kind of gross snow. We do have a chance at some patchy freezing drizzle down the shore tonight, but with our next major system tomorrow night and into Tuesday, we could have some thunderstorm activity along the coast. Storm Scan 3 showing us quiet conditions right now, clouds in place, but we'll have an area of low pressure in association with all of this moisture pass offshore overnight tonight. With our temperatures so marginal, we could see some areas of patchy freezing drizzle throughout the overnight period. We're at 35 degrees right now in Philadelphia, 34 in AC, 34 in Allentown, and 34 degrees in Wildwood. And we could see some light ice accumulations once again tonight. So looking ahead, temperatures there right around the freezing mark with potentially some rain coming down. If we get a little bit of evaporative cooling without rain cooling or rain falling cools the atmosphere, we could drop even a few more degrees, and that would transition plain rain into freezing rain tonight. So do be aware of that. And then for our day tomorrow, President's Day, areas of light freezing rain and a wintry mix throughout the day. High temperature only at 36 degrees. So precipitation type with our next major system coming in late day tomorrow night and into early Tuesday. A snow mix to ice far north and west. I-95 corridor, PA suburbs, an ice mix over to rain. And then across South Jersey and portions of Delaware, we'll see primarily rain throughout this event, but some of that will be heavy at times. But we are expecting significant icing in that ice storm warning area. Northwest suburbs, Berks County, Lehigh Valley, and Poconos. That same time frame tomorrow night into early Tuesday. Ice accumulations of potentially a ½ an inch. If you were in Center City last night, we had a few hundreds of an inch of ice, and it made for treacherous conditions on the sidewalks and roadways. Also, power outages look like they could be likely and could potentially be widespread with this level of icing in these areas. And then we're going to have some gusty winds on top of that. So ice accumulations by mid-Tuesday morning, we could see about a ½ an inch or a ¼ of an inch to a ½ an inch to the far north and west. Closer to the city, PA suburbs, maybe a glaze to about a ½ of an inch before we transition to all rain. But in that area where we're going to see the highest ice accumulations, we could see some widespread power outages because we'll likely see some gusty winds. They will be more localized, less widespread, but we could see wind gusts 30, 35, 40 miles per hour. Combine that with the accumulating ice that will take down tree limbs and branches, wires as well. Expect extremely difficult travel throughout this time. So future weather showing us as we head into the overnight period, there's our chance for some patchy freezing drizzle late tonight, even through the first half of the day tomorrow afternoon. And then the main event comes as we head into tomorrow night. That freezing rain developing, we see it close to the I-95 corridor, then transitioning to all rain tomorrow night, but look to the north and west. It's pink. It's pink. And then you see some heavy rain closer to the coast. Temperatures up into the 50s down the shore, but we're still in the 30s, close to freezing to the far north and west into Tuesday morning. Then things quieting down as we head into the first part of Tuesday. But this is going to be a major ice event for some of us, so do be prepared as we head into Wednesday. Cold and quiet, and then watching potentially another storm with snow to a wintry mix on Thursday, Joe.
All right, Lauren, thank you so much.